Good morning, students of class 6. I am going to teach you all subject general knowledge. Today's chapter is most beautiful places in India. This page we have done in our last class. Now this quiz time was left. Today we will do this quiz time and we will go to our next chapter. First question. This is a saline soda lake located in Buldhana district, Maharashtra. It was created by a meteor impact. Answer is Lunar Lake. Which of the following is the smallest hill station in India that provides a dramatic view of sunrise and sunset? Answer is Marathon, Maharashtra. Which of the following is the largest river island in the world situated in the midstream of river Brahmaputra in Assam? Answer is Majuli. This is a waterfall located in the East Khasi Hills near Cherrapunji, Meghalaya. Answer is Nokalika Falls. So children, you all have to read this question and mark the answer, and then you all have to learn each and every questions. Now we are going to the next chapter. Our next chapter is Animal Superstars. All of you all know what is the meaning of superstars. Superstar means something famous, some person, animals, those who are doing famous things and successfully. They are doing some performance, so they are called superstars. Now, you'll have to name these animals, the superstar animals. Now we will read these points and we can understand what are the things that they have done that they became superstar. The world's first mammal to be coined successfully. It's Dolly. Number 2. The world's first animal to orbit the Earth on 3rd November 1959-57 on Soviet spacecraft. It is Laika. Number 3. The world's first animal known for not only using tools but making them as well. It is David Greybird. Number 4. This animal became the first captive animal ever to be successfully fed into its natural environment. It's Elsa. This animal used all its knowledge and experience to keep its family alive in the dangerous world of lions, hunters, and procs. It's Echo. So, these are the work they have performed and they became superstar animals. They have performed something and they have become superstar animals. So, student, you all will write this answer nicely. Use a pen or you all can use pencil also. And write the answer and read the points clearly. In the next class, we will do this quiz time. Thank you, my students.